Oh, hey everybody! Today we're going to be making some spiders. Spiders are creepy crawlies. They're actually called arachnids. Did you know that spiders have between 6 and 8 eyes? But they can't see very well. They also have 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spiders use their webs to travel and to catch their food. What do you think that spiders eat? Okay, so today we're gonna make these little cute spiders, and I've made a video using some egg cartons, some construction paper, some glue and scissors, and a little bit of some black paint. All right, let's get started. First, cut apart your egg carton. This will be your spider's body. Next, paint your pieces with a bit of paint. I'm using black, but you can use whatever color that you'd like. Now let's cut some black paper for the legs. A spider has 8 legs. Once you've cut your strips of paper, then you can fold them back and forth to make them zigzag. Now let's make some eyes. A spider has between 6 and 8 eyes. If you have googly eyes, you can use those. I don't have any, so I'm going to make mine out of construction paper. Now let's add our legs and eyes to the spider's body. Put a bit of glue on the inside of the egg carton. Then attach the legs. Now let's add a bit of glue and attach the eyes. Don't forget, this spider has between 6 and 8 eyes. All right, guys, I can't wait to see what spiders you have made. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye.